The Heidelberg Catechism, Question 75. How is it signified and sealed unto thee in the Holy Supper, that thou dost partake of the one sacrifice of Christ on the cross and all his benefits? Thus, that Christ has commanded me and all believers to eat of this broken bread and to drink of this cup, and has joined therewith these promises. First, that his body was offered and broken on the cross for me. As certainly as I see with my eyes the bread of the Lord broken for me, and the cup communicated to me. And further, that, with his crucified body and shed blood, he himself feeds and nourishes my soul to everlasting life, as certainly as I receive from the hand of the minister, and taste with my mouth the bread and cup of the Lord, which are given to me as certain tokens of the body and blood of Christ.